Hey everyone! Today I would like to share to you the unboxing of this Fuumuui Sable watercolor brushes with leather case. The brushes are the size 12 for wash and the size 10, size 8 and size 4 and 0. That's the round brushes, and also size 6 of the flat brushes. So since it is a new brushes, it is kind of stiff, and there was a kind of glue in it, so I soak it first with warm water, and now you can see that the bristles are soft and no shading at all. And I can say that the quality of these bristles is similar to my Da Vinci Sable brushes. You can see the pointed bristles, and also I love the idea of a leather case. So you can see the other travel brushes that I have, and I can compare it which one is very convenient to use and to bring anywhere I go. It's so beautiful with a leather case. So now you can see the comparison. So this is my Kolinsky travel brushes, and the idea of putting it back to the case is kind of it's a hassle to put it back, and you can see that the bristles are damaged. So I don't really recommend this kind of travel brushes. In comparison to my other watercolor brushes, and since that this Fuumuui had a leather case, I can say that I love the idea of this, and I can bring it anywhere I go. I can say that this size 6 flat brushes, I love it because it holds a lot of water and it's no shading. It's really good. In this process of painting a bouquet of flowers, you can see that I hold most of the brushes because I love to try different variety of brush strokes, and the short lightweight handle make it more enjoyable to paint. So the brushes spread colors evenly, and since I love painting loose organic florals, the brush is perfect for me. You can check it out on the description down below, all the links wherein you can buy these beautiful travel brushes. Enjoy the 20% discount code plus free shipping when you buy anything from fuumuuiart.com. So I will put all the information and the link wherein you can use it. You can check out the website of fuumuuiart.com, and also they have an Instagram channel plus the Pinterest and the YouTube channel, so you can see all the variety of their products. I really love the short handle. So enjoy watching my videos, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for visiting, and I'll see you on your channel. Bye everyone.